Hello, everyone. This is your girl, Debra Charles, here from Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and I am back at you tonight. We're going to be talking about a good topic tonight. I'm going to recommend one of my tools to you. Because this is tool night for me. I want to talk about tools that will help us in our business. But before we get started with the content, I want to say thank you for coming by my video tonight. If you're on Facebook, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, give me some hearts and some likes, and put me some comments down there to let me know that you resonate with this value content that I'm giving you. And if you're on YouTube, go ahead to smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and give me some likes over here. I like likes on YouTube too. So guys, tonight we're going to be talking about a tool that I use in my business. Some people might not call it a tool, they might call it a university, and I call it that too. But we're going to be talking about that tool. So my question is, have you ever heard the saying, a marketer is only good as the tools that they use? And I believe that is true, because you can have some faulty tools and you won't be getting nowhere sometime. Well, I want to recommend you to this tool, and you can have access to it for below this video. I will leave the link to it so that you will have access to it. Okay, so you can't say that, well, I don't know where to find it, so it's going to be below this video. Now, the tool that I'm talking about is called MLSP. MLSP is like a big university that you can go to and get all your marketing. You know, like we spend all this money at a university or a college, and to get one course, and it costs us $50,000 for the next 10 years. Where this is a university's. Most marketers do call it a university because it got so much information in it, and you can honestly get equated to a university, college, or university marketing degree. But let me tell you the reason why I am recommending you this product is because, for one, if you are a new marketer, someone who's just getting started, or if you are a veteran and you've really been just struggling with how to get your leads and how to get your sales and how to find your target audiences and how to find those things that just the basic thing, because I know I was struggling and I didn't know until someone pointed me to this platform. This program. So if you are that particular people, then this is the ideal place that you want to go. And you want to have this. You want to have this tool in your arsenal, because it teaches you how to get your leads, how to set up your profile to get the leads, to attract them. It teaches attraction marketing. It teaches you how to communicate with your leads. It teaches you how you can get your targeted traffic to your capture pages. It teaches all of that. So as a newbie, someone who's coming in, and you might have a sponsor that kind of left you on the side, you could go to this platform. You could go take it section by section, and you can learn all you need to learn to grow your business. Is already there, and they even have the videos that you can watch, and you can stop the video, take some notes of what you need. If you want to learn how to connect or use Messenger, just take some notes, go back, either just when they tell you to do something, just stop the video, have your page open, and do that particular thing right there on the page. So what does it do for you? I just told you. It helps you to brand yourself. It helps. It comes. It comes with a website. You already set up with your website. It gives you free capture pages that you can do. And you already set up. So if you're someone who is looking for a way, if you're an affiliate marketer for sure, or a network marketer, if you're looking for a way to get your intellectual capital, what we call it, done, this is a true way to do it. And so I highly recommend that below this video, you go to that link and you click on it, and it'll give you the instructions on how you can get started tonight. You can get started with it tonight, tomorrow, whenever you decide that you want to do it. But opportunities come. Sometimes it's big prayers we need to pray. Lord, help me to find some kind of way to get my marketing going. And so this is an opportunity. I found that it was a great opportunity for me to get going, as well as getting my coaches, and they showing me the ropes of how to do the things to get my business up and off the ground. So guys, I'm highly recommending, I keep saying I highly recommend MLSP as one of the tools that you have in your tools arsenal tool, because it is a great place to get started, to get your leads, to get your sales, to get your education. Okay guys, so below this video again, I leave the link, and if you need someone to help you, to walk you through it, then below, hit me up in my messenger on Facebook, or call me. I got a telephone number down there. Just call me and I will be sure to help you out. Okay, so this has been your girl Debra Charles, coming at you tonight with MLSP as my recommendation, as a tool that you can put in your arsenal so that you can grow your business and you can be prosperous. See you again tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.